Finally, we are ready to restore our Moodle course into the new Moodle site. At rockyview.ab.ca and in the course of interest, we select More and then Course Reuse. Here we're going to choose Restore. Find the file that we just downloaded and restore it into this Moodle shell. The upload could take a few minutes depending on how large your course is. Now we click Restore. We do some scrolling and click Continue. We're going to select Restore into this course. We accept everything as is and click Next. During the restore process, we can select or deselect sections and content that we do not want to bring into our new Moodle course. We click Next. And finally, we're going to click the blue button, Form Restore. For some time. And after we see this message that our course has restored, we can quickly go through it and check that all content has been restored. Your course is now ready to accept enrollments.